That's why I wanted the 300 to pretend like I'm flying, but not really.
Yeah. Yo, Sergio, if the G-Suit timing is not an issue, we can pick up his 300 so he can get to ride it. And then come back.
I mean, I already called G-Suit now. We can go back afterwards.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, it's alright.
Okay.
I mean, I would have asked him later then, but you know, now he's waiting for me. Oh yeah, baby!
I saw your tire loose now. I know what you're saying.
That shit spins.
I know.
Yeah.
See, that was fun. On my Magna, it's scary.
Yeah, but the thing is, that's because you were going straight. If you slid a little bit, it would have been scary. Like my FZ drifts.
Yeah.
It's fucking hilarious.
Yeah, man, don't do that. I saw that. It's losing. No, for you.
Yeah, my FZ, it drifts. It goes. It's hilarious until it's not.
In the turn. In the turn, if you do that,
oh, you're fucked.
I forget what avenue that is, but you know, the BP.
Yeah, where we stop at the fast bike.
Yeah, exactly, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, this turn is amazing right here. Some drag knee.
For
turn.
you guys.
Oh.
It's too wet to be doing shit.
I know. Yeah, right. We're going slow.
Be careful, there's crazy potholes here.
I know. You can come in the middle. He said there's a pothole, be careful, and he was wheeling on it.
We're going straight to the gas station, right?
Yeah.
Alright, bet.
Oh man, it feels pretty wet to me.
There's so much dew on the road.
Yeah.
Brake.
Honestly, it looks like a rain, but it's just a lot of dew.
That guy's an ass.
No, like, bro, relax. Like, come on. Like, it's a fucking light.
Because Q3 Plus give me almost 7,000 miles on the tire, you know?
Yeah, I mean, this tire is good too.
Yeah.
I like this rear tire. It's cheap, it's good.
Yeah, and they're grippy. The only sad part is...
And the biggest thing is, you don't get nails.
That's what I'm going to say. The sad about my tires, too many slabs.
No, I'm talking about this one, the one that I have right now.
Yeah.
I only felt the difference when I was pushing the bike on, like, on the track.
Nice.
You know? But on the street, it's the same shit.
Nice.
Like, if, like, I would have a Q3 Plus as, like, the track tire for my track bike.
Yeah.
But for, like, a street tire, this one's good enough.
Yeah. Uh-oh. The Maxi might look happy. This is the gas station on the right.
Oh god, it's bumpy.
Be careful, it's wet.
It's riding on the fucking ramp.
That's why I came to this.
Believe this.
Don't go
Faz just phoned me to ask how to change the volume on the remote.
Kiss.
Yeah, man.
They're gonna fucking hit me, bro. They're gonna fucking hit me. That's what they're gonna do. What the fuck you going so fast, you fucking faggy? Go, Frank.
I'm almost...
Bro, don't make me drift again.
Yo, so much dew on the road. Look at his tire. You saw it?
Yeah. Hey, yo, don't do that. So it's the 300.
Yeah.
I don't got ABS here. See? That's why you the MT10 wasn't a good first bike. Because you got used to the traction control and ABS.
I know. Hey,
And now that you don't have it, you're like, oh shit.
Hey man, maybe that's why I'm still up.
Yeah, man.
That's a cop.
That's a cup, baby. Yo, you wanna run the red?
You guys are bad.
We're literally cruising. It's okay.
Don't do that.
Yo, now I'm looking at fucking Frank's light, and my bike does not light up anything at all.
You gotta go east.
East?
Yeah, it's coming up.
Okay. You sure?
That's what it says.
This way, yeah, it's east.
Okay.
Hey. Where's your fucking muffler?
It's attached. It's just not too good. It's eBay special.
Fast trying to.
You know what?
Cut me off.
You know what Vadim told me? Vadim told me that he sold his MT.
No way.
Oh yeah, he did sold it.
No way. What?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, he's getting 2 bikes now.
Who did he sell it to?
Someone, his friend. You said you have a meeting and thought we're leaving, like he may be out.
Yeah.
I called him and he called me later and he asked me, he sold that bike already.
No way, man. I just talked to him like last week and he told me he would ride.
No. Something is funny. Someone paid him already, but he still has the bike because he has to get the title.
Oh, yeah.
Men's cabin.
I don't know. When I rose the sensitivity up for the quick shifter, now it's so high that it never fucks up on me, but sometimes it's so hard to shift.
Change the topic. I'm tired of the quick shifter shit, man.
I mean, this quick shifter is cheap and their customer service is great, but sometimes it just gives you too much problems, man. Like I just want my shit to work. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, you gotta buy the fucking fancy shit for that.
I'm on your left.
You guys good to come this side. If I'm not able to brake, I'm gonna scream, okay?
Yo, if you're not able to brake, Sergio, you got a lane split. If he can't brake, you got a lane split or something, man.
Please don't do that. Don't do that.
If I try to lane split and this turn, it's over.
Oh, for car, be careful.
I know.
It might be wet. Turn your emergency lights on or something. I don't fucking know, man. Just be careful. Yo, on the exit, make sure you full throttle it, baby.
Frank, I need your lights over here. I can't see shit.
You want some sliding action?
Oh, these boys slow so much down. What the fuck?
Oh yeah. Look at that. After the fucking turn.
They turn on the lights for us, man.
Yeah, fuck them.
Slow boys.
City gridlock alert. What the fuck?
No way.
Hey yo! Make that bitch scream.
I'm on your eyes.
You guys are bad. This is why I wanted the 300.
Yeah,
I'm over here doing fucking triple speed.
Yo, Eric, we should fly through the cars and make Frank catch up.
man, you guys are bad.
Oh no, it's showing the road is blocked up ahead. What the fuck?
Maybe so much construction, no checkpoint at this time.
It says road closed,
It's gonna be okay.
but everything is moving. Yeah, we'll see. It looks open to me.
Okay. Is it open?
It's open, man. Oh, this road is nice.
Yo, which exit?
It's coming 10E. Turn Long Island Expressway. I'll slow down.
This road is nice. They fixed it up real nice.
Yeah,
Yeah, man.
we have to take this exit.
We're taking the exit?
That's what it says, yeah.
Which one, the 10E?
Yeah,
This one?
Yeah.
yeah. So on the right.
Stay on the right?
Yeah.
Yeah. 10E.
Okay. Just go ahead of me. Oh, be careful.
I don't know why, but the road looks so wet to me.
They are.
Maybe just because it's new and the water looks crazier. This
Oh, it's bumpy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh fuck, man.
We keep going?
yeah. Keep going straight.
Get in the left.
Yeah, just go straight.
Eric, lead us like a Jesus.
I don't know where though.
On
I'm just
the left
playing,
here,
man. I'm
behind the
joking.
car.
Right here?
Here,
Left,
right here on the
left,
left.
Okay.
Street.
I just don't want to crash into ya.
Yes. But you know, that's the one minus point with the white turn.
Yeah, man.